Hey babies, hey boos, all of y'all fools too. Psych, I just tried to be cool and rhyme, but whatever. But I know y'all done seen this before and I'm all late and lost in the sauce and stuff. But I wanted to do a review of it as well. So I went to my local beauty supply, excuse my head right now because I got me a wig, a hair hat, as they call it. But anyway, I'm gonna review this baby, the Girl ProCoverage foundation, and hopefully it works for me because it look a little red and everything, but I don't know, we're gonna have to see, and y'all gonna see with me because this is my first time using this mofo. So we about to get into it right now. Keep watching because you want to and all that, okay? So yeah, I'm looking mad crazy right now because nothing is done but my brows and my eyes and everything, and this is just a hot sight, but whatever, we're gonna get into it. So let's try to pump. Oh, it's watery, but I don't know, we're gonna see. We're gonna see if we can make it do what it do. Okay, all right. It's not too far. I don't know, we're gonna see. I don't know. I'm still going to work with it because I'd rather be a little dark than too light. And I can always work it out with my highlights. So, I don't know. The real test, at least for me, how does sucker hold up with sweat? Cause I'm a sweater. Get a little bit more. I just don't like the wateriness and stuff. I don't know. It's just a teeny bit darker than me. Not too bad. But I'm still going to make her work. Still going to make it work. I'm still going to make it work. Still going to make it work. I said I'm still going to make it work. Blend it in. Yeah, this is dark. Darker than me. And it's a little red. Not this red. Not this red. I don't know. Still gonna give him a chance. It ain't over. At least not yet. Y'all know what? I'm gonna get off of here real quick. I'm gonna go and finish blending this in and come back when it's time to highlight and see how I like it then. Because right now it's, but yeah. It's not 1,000,000% bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and highlight and see. Yeah. Yeah. So I have gone in with my Tarte Shape Tape in Rich, and I'm about to blend this out and see what the end's gonna be, okay? I mean, I guess once I blend in my highlight and everything, it's not. I'm starting to like it a lot better. But by itself, that color, no. And I actually chose to, okay, all right. I actually chose to go with this color because the beauty supply store that is here in Salisbury, Maryland, Salisbury Beauty, shout out to them. The beauty supply store that I went to, you know how like the beauty supply stores will actually have the freaking samples, but we got ratchet people here that will just steal the sample. So there wasn't one. And the next color up was like way too orange. So I went with this one. I said I want to try this one. So, I mean, with highlighting, I like it a bit better. But I'm going to keep on blending. And then I'm going to come back and show y'all the finished product. But with me actually blending this in, I'm starting to love it. But like I said, the true test for me, how this sucker going to hold up when I start sweating. So I'll be right back. So, okay. She going on me a bit. She's growing on me a little something, something. Oh my gosh. I wasn't expecting this because just looking at it, just on my face alone, it was a no. But so far, okay. All right, girl. Okay. All right. So I'm about to set a little bit. Not too much. Just a little bit. Not too much. Not too much. But yeah, I mean, it feels good. It doesn't feel heavy or anything. It does have a weird smell. But I can get past that, though. Make me look old. And stuff. Snackalicious. Not too much. Not too much. Alright, girl. Alright, girl. Alright, I'm gonna let that sit a little bit. Let it sit a little bit. Even though I don't ever put too much on because I don't want to no crazy blending and crazy flashback and all that. So I'm gonna go in with my little Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Artist Palette. And I think this one, what is this one? I don't even know because I done rubbed all the freaking words off and everything because I've had it just that long. But we're gonna make it do what it do. Where's my brush? So, I like to take either this shade or this one, but since this foundation is a bit darker, I'm going to take this one. And I really don't need much because where it is dark, I can like, okay, I'm contoured already. And I don't know why, but a lot of people highlight here. I don't like it on myself. It's beautiful on other people, but I don't know why. I've never really liked it on myself. So, with that being said, I'm not going to highlight there, okay? So, got a 5 head. Let me mask it a little bit. Mask off. I think Fuchsia was talking about me when he said mask off because like this 5 head is just ridiculous. But my husband like it, so. But yeah, I don't contour too much. But let me get this nose together. No matter however together. That's a little something. A little bit. I like my fat nose. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right. So what I'm going to do now? I seem to like the line of Ruby Kisses because not only is it very, very, very affordable, it's so pretty. And I'm like, you don't gotta spend a whole lot of money to look like you're going to get some honey, Sonny. Because I like what I like. Go to the freaking store and, yeah, corny, I'm sorry. But anyway, I don't even know where it's at. But I'm gonna find it and come right back, okay? So I couldn't find what I was looking for, but I'm gonna go in with my MAC Raisin Blush. I was looking for my Ruby Kisses palette because it's got this bomb dark, like, plum color. And it's a blush, and it's so bomb on darker skin. But I love Raisin, too. Raisin will get it done, too, son. Not too much. I like it. Overall, I'm really starting to dig this foundation. And once it dries, it does feel good. Like I said, it doesn't feel heavy on my skin or anything. It feels really good. All right. Okay. I like girl. Right. All right. So then after that, I am going to take my dark Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC along with just a regular face brush. And I'm just going to go and blend in that little bit of highlight that I put in the areas that I put it to blend it a little bit. And sweep the excess away if there is any, because I really don't ever put too much. And then I go in with my MAC Dark Deepest and just go all over my face. Or really, not even all over my face, just the areas where I happen to contour. And blend it in. Blend it in. And I'm going to go and get my lips and lashes on and get my hair hat on. And then I will be back. Bye. And when it's all said and done, I actually like it. It worked out really well. So, tell your friend that me and my friend is all right with this. So, like I said, it scared me a little bit at first, but honey, I like her. And I'm also going to do a video about my hair hat here by Mr. Bobby Boss. But stay tuned for future videos. I love y'all. Bye-bye.